Welcome back. In this tutorial, we will learn about the sell action. The sell action is a section in your strategy that decides what to sell out of your portfolio. To create a sell action, press the plus button underneath your portfolio design. Now, press the plus button in the New section and choose Sell. A sell action has two inputs. The first input is the source, labeled From. This tells your strategy from which portfolio or subportfolio to select securities to sell. The drop-down menu lists your available choices. For now, choose your strategy's main portfolio. All securities in the main portfolio, including the securities in your subportfolios, will be available to the sell action. If you choose a subportfolio, only those securities from the subportfolio will be available to the sell action. The second input is conditions. If you don't know what conditions are or how to use them, watch our short series of conditions videos. Once every period, Tasseo will evaluate the source's securities against the conditions you place in the sell action. Tasseo will simulate the sale of any securities that satisfy these conditions, selling the selected securities in their entirety. For this tutorial, let's add a profit-taking condition whereby you sell the stocks that have rallied recently. To select stocks that have rallied recently, let's use the technical indicator called the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, which will be close to 100 if the stock has rallied recently. See our glossary for more information about RSI. Click the three buttons and select Compare Statement. For the left-hand side, choose Stock, Stock Technicals, Other, and RSI 14. For the comparison, choose Greater Than. And for the right-hand side, choose Constant, Number, and enter 85. Our sell action object is complete. Now, for each period, Tasseo will step through each action in your strategy sequentially. When Tasseo reaches this particular sell action, it will simulate the sale of any securities chosen through this action, from the portfolio you chose in the From drop-down menu. Remember, strategies can have multiple actions. For example, each portfolio and subportfolio will typically have its own buy action. Set up your own buy and sell actions like you just learned, and you will be well on your way to designing, testing, and running your own investment strategies. It is common to have a sell action for each portfolio or subportfolio. One reason is to allow the sale of stocks that have grown, that is, profit-taking. Another reason is to allow the sale of stocks that appear in free fall, that is, loss cutting. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!